In this video we are going to see Honeywell TREND Control System 916 Mobile Display Software Overview and Technical Datas. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Overview. Running on a Windows Pocket PC, PPC, the 916 provides an interface to the IQ system enabling monitoring and adjustment of parameters within IQ and IQL controllers. The 916 can be connected to the IQ network via a standard network connection, local supervisor port or CNC2, via modem, or over Ethernet. The 916 can connect to an IQ device or network in one of three ways: 1. Via a controller or node controller, 2. Over Ethernet, 3. Dialing into an ADL device. Specifications. The specifications below are the minimum required to run 916. Processor, ARM compatible, for example PXA series. Memory, 48 MB recommended, 1 MB storage required. I/O, 1 serial port required for connection to IQ network devices. Operating system, Windows Mobile 2005, Windows Mobile 2003. Or Windows CE 4.2, or Pocket PC 2002. Functionality. The 916 provides access to the occupation times, device addressing information, the current value of sensors, digital inputs, knobs, switches, and drivers within the controller. It also provides access to both current and historic alarms for the selected controller. Where appropriate, the value of the parameters can be adjusted, providing the user has the authority, and sensor logs displayed in graphical format. Compatibility. 916 can communicate with all IQ system devices, and receive or adjust values from any controller. The table below illustrates the different sites that can be accessed with the different connections to the IQ network. There are two types of license for 916. Type 1, Type 2. The Type 1 does not expire, but does not allow access to the engineering features. The Type 2 license, which provides access to those facilities, is time-limited, and only available to accredited companies. If the Type 2 license expires, the Type 1 license can be entered to use the product without the extra engineering features. Type 1 license functionality. Access to parameters in IQ controllers, simple adjustment of module parameters, display and directory module support, alarm receipt, graphs, display of alarms, configuration mode access, driver output override, indication of hand or off or auto status, file backup and restore, text comms, access to loop and IC comms modules. Access to module configuration parameters, installation. The first time the software is run it will prompt for an unlock code. Installation on a Pocket PC. Step 1. Check Pocket PC configuration. Microsoft Pocket PC with an ARM-compatible processor, for example PXA series running Windows Mobile 6, Windows Mobile 2005 and 2003. 1 MB storage required, 1 serial port required for connection to IQ network devices. Step 2. Establish a partnership between the desktop PC and Pocket PC. Step 3. Check Start menu. Ensure that there is a free slot in the Start menu. Normally a maximum of 10 slots are available. Step 4. Install the software. Insert CD. If Auto Run is disabled, run 916exe file from the CD. The 916 manual can be installed into the C disk directory on the PC by running 916. Step 5. License 916. Step 6. Connect to IQ network, connection to node controllers, connection over Ethernet network and connection using a modem. Installation on a PC. Step 1. Check PC configuration. 916 version 1.2 is also available for the PC, and should run on PCs of almost any specification. Step 2. Install the software. Step 3. License 916. Step 4. Connect to IQ network, connection to node controllers and connection over Ethernet network. License 916. Step 1. Create the license.txt file. On the Start menu click 916, click License Details, enter the serial number, click Request, enter all the details, click OK. Step 2. Obtain a license. If installed on a Pocket PC, move the file license.txt onto the PC. It is located in directory in which the 916 is installed. Load license.txt into Notepad, and print it out. Email the license.txt file to trends@trendcontrols.com or fax the printout to Customer Services Department or contact phone Customer Services. Step 3. Enter the unlock code. After receive the unlock code, on the Start menu click 916, click License Details, enter the unlock code, finally click Unlock. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.